and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Kearia. How are you? If you are a current subscriber, hey you guys, what have you been up to? Please let me know in the comments below. So as you can see in the title of this video, I am finally trying out one of these headband wigs. Before we get into all of that, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, follow me on my Twitter, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel because you already watched my video, you clicked on it, so I think you should subscribe. Just go ahead, just subscribe. Okay, so now that we're back, we're done with all of that, let's get into this actual video. I finally got to try one of these wigs, and I'm so excited. So this wig does not need glue, like permanent, like bow hole glue. It does not need that. It does not need got to be glue, the little glue in the tube. It doesn't need the got to be glue, the spray. It doesn't need you gotta bleach the knots and bleach that and it doesn't need any of that. This will be the easiest wig you can ever install. So I got the trendy headband wig, and I'm going to be using the company Love Me Hair. This video is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. I actually bought this during Black Friday, so I believe this is the Wet and Wavy wig, and it is 22 inches. Before we get into the wig, just look at the packaging. Like, it's this smooth, like, matte box with a cute little ribbon, and it says Love Me Hair. This is so cute. Like, I literally bought this, I think I bought this on Black Friday, and I think I got it like 5 days later. I don't know. But I got this really fast. The shipping was nice, and the packaging is really nice, so I'm excited. So let's get into this wig. So you literally just take the ribbon off. It's so cute. I don't even want to, but look, it's just so sleek. It's so nice. This is cute. Okay. Take that off. And then it says, enjoy your hair journey. Enjoy your hair journey from now on. That's what it says when you first open it. Like, this packaging is amazing. Like, they did this perfect for this video. Did they know I was going to review this? I don't know, but they did a good job because look at that. Cute. So then you open it. Oop. So that's the flap. I actually ordered this little silicone headband thing for my regular wigs. I won't be trying it on with this video, but I did get like this little silicone thing because I heard like it's better for your hairline. Don't pull your edges and all that. But yeah, I do have that. And then, dang, did I order all these? They gave me like all of these headbands. Did I order all of these? The packaging is really nice, you guys. Like, I am impressed. So I think during Black Friday they had like some sale or some special where you get like if you spend a certain amount of money you get like a free flat iron. So that's really nice because I have like the old school flat iron, the one that you put on the stove, but this is the one you plug up. So I'm really excited about that. I really need it. Wow, they really, like, I'm sorry, like, I feel like I'm rambling, but I'm just shocked, like, all of this stuff that's actually in the box. Like, all of these headbands, a whole freaking flat iron, like a full size. This is not a flat iron. A full size hot comb. Like, all of this in this little cute little box. I'm shocked. And it's just like a little note about refunds, exchanges, how to contact them. That right there. And they gave me 2 wig caps because I definitely needed some more wig caps. You see, I already have one on, but yeah, 2 more wig caps, so I don't need to put that on today. And then this cute little packet. What is this? This is really cute. Like, this, they did that. This is cute. So I have like one of the little edge brush things. I already have one of these, but mine's is old, so I'm glad I got this one. Mine's look like it's wore down. This is like the elastic band for like regular wigs. I don't know if I need it for this wig. We'll see. Some bobby pins. Some tweezers. And it says Love Me on it, like their brand, Love Me. Some little tweezers, like to pluck the knots and stuff. Oh, cute. A hair clip that says Love Me. This is really cute. Like, the branding is on. I really like this. And then And this is like a wire headband. So this is a whole nother headband. It has like wire in it. As you can see, like I can adjust it any type of way. See? That's really cute. So that's like what came in like this cute little packet right here. Put that right there. And then I have like a ton of headbands. I don't see like an order packaging slip, but I don't think I ordered all these. I think these came with the headbands. I don't know if I ordered these or not. I'm gonna put it on the screen below because I really don't know. But I don't think I ordered all of these. Okay, so we got like a cute gold one. This is cute. We got like this little leopard or cheetah print. I really don't know the difference between the two, but we got that one. We got this cute paisley print. It was like orange and blue. I really do like this. That's cute. And then we have like a a yellow, like a gold and navy blue floral print right there. And then we have like an army camel print right here. So these are the headbands for the wig. These are cute. I wish I had like a solid headband. But these are cute. These are really cute though. I'm really excited. I wasn't expecting all of this at all. So this looks nice. I'm happy. Okay, let's put those right there. Okay, let's get into the wig. And it comes like in this cute little drawstring bag, and it says love me affordable luxury hair and lovemehair.com. I'll put everything in the description box below just in case you want to get this for yourself. Okay, so the wig is on, like it has like the little net on here, so I'm gonna take the net off. Okay, so this is the wig. Oh, this is gorgeous. And it's in that natural 1B color, but like if it's under light, it looks really, really brown. But this is pretty. I like this. And I believe this can be worn straight or like in its natural wavy state. So it's like a wet and wavy type look or whatever. So it has 3 clips, so one right here, one right there, and another clip right here. And then it has the actual headband, and it is like Velcro. See, that's the headband right here, and that's the Velcro. And then you just slide it on. This is really cute. Let's see. It doesn't have like a strange, weird smell. It just smells like hair. It doesn't have like that weird, like corn chip, like nasty smell. Smells good. 22 inches. This is pretty and it's very soft. I'm loving this pattern. Ooh, this is cute. Let's just take a moment for it. Now I'm actually going to put this on and we're going to go from there. Let's see how this goes. So I'm going to take the clip, stick it under. Okay guys, so this is the wig. I didn't do anything to it. I didn't put the headbands on yet. This is just the wig in its natural state. And you can see I left some of my edges out. I really don't know how to do baby hairs, so this is gonna work for me. Like, I suck at baby hairs. Like, if I need them done, I always ask somebody to do it for me. Like, I don't know how to do it. But this is the wig. Let me turn around so you can see what it looks like in the back. Ooh, can you see? Yeah, so it's 22 inches and it is the wet and wavy. Again, I'll put everything in the comments below. I'm just pulling on it and I am getting some hair that's coming from the wig. Hold on. So yeah, I pulled on it and let me adjust the light real quick. Can you see? It's just a little bit of hair. This really doesn't bother me because I feel like a lot of hair sheds, but it's like, I feel like if it's shedding and you're like, everywhere you go, every time you run your hands through it and it's shedding, that's a problem. But this, I was literally just pulling on it. So this is okay. Like, this is fine. Yeah, this is fine. Ooh, this is cute. Like, look at this. I haven't even styled this. Like, you guys, I literally just took it out the box. Like, I think this is going to be my go-to wig until I get my braids, because like right now I have my hair like with deep conditioner and stuff, and I'm actually about to wash it out once I'm done with this video. But this is really cute. Like, I don't have to worry about pulling and tugging on my edges. I don't have to worry about gluing and the edge and the glue pulling out my edges. I don't have to worry about it being so tight, because like the elastic little band in the back, you just stretch it and make it fit. Like, it doesn't have to be like super tight. I don't feel any tension. And you don't really have to use the clips. I just put the clip on at the top just to feel secure. I do not have the clip on in the back or on the sides either. Like, I don't like the clips, the little comb things. I don't like those. Wow. Hold on. I'm going to see how these look with my glasses. Oh. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay, let's try on these headbands. Okay. Oh, this hair is gorgeous. I'm gonna, oh yeah, I got some stuff to do. So the first one I'm gonna try on is the little gold one, just to see how the headband works. Oh wow, this is so freaking cute. And I really like this yellow head. And this is so, oh my goodness, you guys. I am like in love with this wig. Like, this was like the easiest install ever. Like, do you see this? I can literally just tuck that in. If I need to do baby edges things, that would look so good, but I don't. Wow. I'm not gonna try on all of these because you know what a headband looks like, and I just wanted to show you guys the wig and how simple it is. If you want something very easy that's not pulling on your edges, taking your hair out, doing the glue and doing all this that's damaging to your hair, I strongly recommend this type of wig as an alternative. Especially like, you can wear this like when you're on the go, like you make a quick errand, if you have to work out, if you're getting in the pool. Like, this wig is so versatile. Like, say if you're working from home like I do, you can put this on and just jump on for your meeting, and then you can just take it right on. Like, oh my goodness, this is so cute. But yeah, that is the end of this video. I'm actually going to do the next video just showing like some ways to style this wig, so stay tuned for that. And thank you guys for watching. If you did not already, please subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to follow me on my Instagram and follow me on my Twitter. And stay tuned for my styling videos so I can give you guys some styles on how to style the headband wig. This got like, just watch some of my old videos, because I'm going to keep talking about this, and I don't want to do that to you guys. Like, just go ahead, watch some other videos. Stay tuned for my styling video, how to style this wig, because, baby, let me go take some pictures for Instagram.